Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some party wings, some shrimp. Just have to clean out the freezer. About to go grocery shopping. Make it happen. So we about to put this together. We gonna make some stovetop sriracha chicken and shrimp. They go our pasta oil, Italian seasoning, basil, chili powder, Kinder's rub, buttery steak. That's our sriracha sauce right there. Our lemon juice, cornstarch, just a tablespoon. We're gonna thicken up that sriracha sauce. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and season it. First, we're gonna use some of this lemon juice. We want everything to stick. Chili powder. Basil. That's that good herb right there. Italian seasoning. Never leave home without it. I love my Italian seasoning. Love it. I've been using this seasoning since I've been on YouTube. Then we'll do that Kinder's rub buttery steakhouse. Now we're gonna mix this together. Then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so we have our pasta oil in here. So you know you gotta put that chicken in there first. It's gonna take a minute for that chicken to cook. So we're doing all this on the stove. Nothing going in the oven. We got oil, our pasta oil, and our lemon juice. It'll give your meat, make it nice and tender. And go right there. Move it around for a minute, like so. Alright, the shrimp is going in at the last minute. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put our shrimp in there. Chicken has a nice color. It's done. Chicken looking good, smelling good. Okay, so this our lemon juice and our little marinade. Pour it in there. Okay, mix it together. See, this is why I say the extra virgin olive oil is cool, but that vegetable oil is also good. Look at that little gravy right there. That fast. Tablespoon of that cornstarch. Go ahead and mix that in. You want that, go ahead and mix in with that chicken and shrimp. A little water. That's how you thicken your Sriracha sauce. Now it's looking like gravy right there. It's like straight gravy. I'm gonna add our Sriracha sauce. You can use any type of sauce you want. You can make your own sauce. But tonight I'm rocking with some Sriracha. This is a go-to right here if you mess with the Sriracha, you know what I mean? If you mess with the Sriracha hot sauce, it's a little go-to right here. Alright, we mixing everything in. Like this. Then I'm gonna throw the top on there. For 5 minutes. And we'll put this good food on a nice plate. Okay. That's that good Sriracha gravy right there. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our stove top Sriracha, chicken and shrimp. We also have our little pasta right there. If it's a little too spicy for you. But your boy done made it happen. Nice little put together. Clean the freezer out. And like I say, doing my thing in this good kitchen. Other than that, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.